builders pick the wrong seal ones, cost me 2,000 in rework. These two look the same, but they're not. 3 minutes and you'll never mess up again. First, the channel. It's a tough U shape. Thick web, flanges pointing inward. Watch this. I pull hard and it doesn't budge. Super rigid. Now the zipper link. Lighter, smarter cousin. See this tiny lip? It locks metal panels tight. It bends a little, but that's for efficiency, not weakness. Channels are heavy lifters. Truck frames, main building supports, anywhere you need to hold 2+ extra tons, handle slows from all directions. Zipper links, perfect for roofs or walls. Lighter than 30%, cheaper than 15%. Great for sheds, warehouses. Use screw panels on it, and it spans far without breaking. Quick recap. Channel equals to strong in all directions, standalone use. Zipper link equals to strong along its length, works in systems, and cost. Zipper link saves you 15%, big deal. Next time you need seal, channels for strength, zipper link for savings, no more guesswork. Got a project? DM me seal tip, and I'll send you this free guide to avoid mistakes. And if you need samples, I can hook you up too. Check quality yourself.